Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shadi and today's video is get ready with me for Dol Jatra. I will tell you what actually Dol Jatra is, but before that I have to complete my eyebrow. For that I have taken L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Pomade and the brush I am using is PAC 222. Today I will do my eyebrow and my eye makeup first, then I will go for foundation. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrow with this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit and the brush I'm using by Morphe. Now I need to clear my eyebrow, so I'm using Makeup Studio Amsterdam Professional Foundation Palette and the shade I'm using is yellow, this one. Now I'm going to blend it out with this PAC sponge. So I'm going to complete my this eyebrow also and I will be right back. Dol Jatra is a festive of colors. Basically, Dol Jatra is Bengali's Holi. Now I'm doing my eye base and the product I'm using is by Elegant Pro Concealer and the shade is Porcelain. And I'm going to blend it out with the same sponge. We Bengalis play Holi in a different way. This palette is the best for this look. So I'm using this palette is by You Can Be Pretty All Set. This is a huge one. As you can see this. I have already used many of the colors from this palette. I created so many eye look with this palette. I posted some on my YouTube channel too. So you guys can check this out. I will share the links on the description box. Today I'm going to use this two red and this yellow. Actually, I wear a sari. This is a yellow best, so I will go with this shade too. So let's get started. First, I'm going to apply this color as my transaction shade. I think my camera is not liking this brush. Anyway. I'm applying the shade in a round motion. Now I'm going to take a small blending brush by Morphe. I'm going to take this orange red from this palette. Now I'm going to stamp this color on my outer portion. I love this palette. This palette is really pigmented. Seriously. Now I'm stamping it on my inner corner. Now I'm going to blend the edges. Now I'm going to grab this yellow shimmer shade. I'm going to apply it with my fingertip on the middle portion. Oh. I'm loving it. Now I'm going to take this red, this shimmery red, and I'm going to stamp this color just here to get more reddish look. And now I'm going to blend out the edges. Bengalis are so much in love with eyeliners and kajals and lipsticks. So today I'm going to use this Faces Canada All Time Matte Play Eyeliner in black. I have ordered this liner from Nykaa.com and I have ordered it on Monday and they delivered me on Wednesday. Just in 2 days I received this package and I got a free lipstick also by Faces Canada and the shade is Wheat. add some kajal. For that I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil. So I'm going to apply this on my waterline. So now I'm going to add some colors on my lower lash line too. I'm going to take this shimmery red with this Morphe pencil brush. Now I'm going to take this black shade and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm going to add this red also, just to blend the edges. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my eyebrow bone, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick, and I'm going to apply this shade. So this eye is almost done. So quickly I'm going to complete this eye and put some falsies, and I'll be right back. As I said, this is a festival of color, so I need to prep my skin very well. So I'm gonna use this Indulgio Rose Gold oil. You don't know which color is going to harm your face, so you need to be ready. As primer, I'm going to use this MAC Fix Plus. For foundation, I'm going to apply this Makeup Studio Amsterdam Professional palette. And this palette name is EP004, and the shade which I am going to apply is Olive 2. First of all, I am going to take some products on my fingertips and I am going to apply like this. I am applying with my fingertips, but you can apply with this kind of flat brush. Now I am going to blend my foundation with this Real Technique Beauty Blender. So which I am telling is, we Bengalis like to maintain the tradition of this festival, so most of the girls wear saris and boys prefers to wear Punjabis. My foundation is almost done, so now I'm going to conceal my face, and for that I'm going to take this shade, and this is Olive Matte. I'm going to use this flat brush, and this is by BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm going to bake my under eye area, and I'm going to take powder from this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And the color I'm taking is this one, and this one called Lyric. I'm going to apply powder underneath my area with this PAC sponge. Now I'm going to take this shade Shadow Play. I'm going to warm up my face. My face is already slim, so I don't need much contour on my cheeks. Contouring mask on my forehead because I have a broad forehead. Now I'm going to take this brush, the flat brush, to contour my nose. Now I'm going to blend the edges with this small kabuki brush. Now I'm going to apply some blush on my cheeks, and this blush is by Makeup Revolution, and the shade is Sugar and Spice. And I will use this and this shade on my cheeks. And I'm applying with this kabuki brush, and this is by BS Mall. Now I'm going to add some glow on my face. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Radiant Brick Highlighter palette, and I'm going to grab this 2 shade over here. And the brush which I'm using is by BH Cosmetics. This is amazing. And my cupid bow on my chin. I love to highlight my chin. Now it's time for lipstick, and lipstick is something which I cannot live without. And I'm going to try this Faces Canada lipstick, which I get free. Look at this color. It's amazing. To set my whole makeup, I'm using MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm going to wear some jewelries and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to add a little bindi. And here is my final look completed. If you're here with me till now, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video and learned something from it, please give it a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon over here so you will get notification every time I upload. Thank you so much.